Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can join a community on Roblox in 2026 on PC or laptop. So let us guide you through this. So launch the Roblox app, for example via Microsoft or on your desktop computer or laptop, log into your account. And then guys, click into these three dots here on the left hand side, more, and here navigate to communities. Wait for this menu to finish loading. And then guys, what you want to do is click into see all here. Go through these categories. You may also look for a community by entering the name here. Click into the given community. So I will go with this one here, for example, and then you will see a join button here on the top right. As you can see, I've already joined this one, so you will see a join button here. And if the given community accepts new members, your request may get accepted. It was, at least for me in my case here, in the same moment, right? So some communities may require from new members, for example, to provide more information, for example, or to wait for the invitation to be accepted. But in this case, I was accepted right away, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.